To change your Roblox username in 2025, you'll need to spend 1,000 Robux. Alternatively, you can change your display name for free once every 7 days. Here's how you can do both. To change your username, start by logging into your Roblox account, either on roblox.com or through the mobile app. Once logged in, go to your settings. On a browser, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. If you're on mobile, tap the 3 dots, More icon in the bottom right corner, scroll down, and tap Settings. Then, select the Account Info tab. Next to your username, you'll see a pencil icon. Click or tap on that, then enter your new username along with your current password. You'll be asked to confirm the change by spending 1,000 Robux. Click Buy to confirm, and your username will be updated. If you want to change your display name instead, which is how your name appears in-game while your username remains your login ID, go to Settings greater than Account Info, just like before. Next to Display Name, click the pencil icon, type your new name, and click Save. Keep in mind that you can only change your display name once every 7 days. So, if you want to update your appearance in-game without spending Robux, go for the display name change. But if you need a whole new username, be ready to use 1,000 Robux.